In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to WordPress in just 3 easy ways. This process is perfect, whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, as it allows you to enrich your posts and enhance user engagement with sound. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type wordpress.com into the address bar. Press Enter, and you'll be directed to the WordPress homepage, a hub for creating and managing your site. Once there, you should see the familiar layout that includes options to explore different site creation avenues. Next, you'll need to log in. Look for the Login button, often located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your credentials. This process will take you to your personalized dashboard, where all the magic happens. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you already have your site set up, continue on to access your site's backend. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll spend a lot of time customizing and managing your content. It's your command center, and it's structured to be user-friendly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available, as this will help streamline your workflow in the future. Your next step is to decide where you want to add the audio, either on a post or a page. Head over to your dashboard and look for the Posts or Pages option. Click on the one where you want the audio to reside. This is a critical step, as organizing your content is key to maintaining a clean and navigable site. After choosing a post or page, focus your attention on adding a new block. You'll see a plus symbol, often referred to as the plus block button. By clicking this, you open up a world of options, allowing the insertion of various media types into your content. Now, it's time to add an audio block. From the block menu, scroll until you find the audio option and select it. This step will prompt you to either upload your audio file directly from your computer or insert a URL if the audio is already hosted online. Both methods are straightforward, making this option incredibly flexible. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can transform your WordPress posts with the addition of audio content. Whether it's enhancing an article with a podcast snippet or inserting musical cues into your pages, these techniques are pivotal in creating an engaging, multimedia experience for your visitors. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment more with the abundant features WordPress offers. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!